Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 5 stocks under $50 that could easily double in 2021. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It'll be the first link down below. So now let's jump into it, roll that intro, let's go. Bam! So now these stocks that we're going to be looking at carry a little more risk than traditional ETFs or even blue chip stocks. So it's always smart to have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, or even bonds to almost act as your defense in your portfolio. Because some of these stocks are honestly pretty volatile, but definitely have a very, very high ROI in my opinion. So let's jump into it, the top 5, let's go. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I think could easily double in 2021 is NIO. This is NIO. This is the electric car manufacturer based out of China. This stock here was trading really all the way up here at $57 a share, sold off to 46, found some support at 40, and has been pushing up. The stock is already up, 500% in 2020, and I think the whole momentum is going to continue going into 2021. We have very, very strong fundamentals. The company is almost profitable, and that is a huge thing, especially for a company like this. And I think since we have growing revenue, growing deliveries, and their customers are coming back, and that's one of the biggest thing is they're building a consumer base. So I think that NIO is definitely one to at least keep on watch here going into 2021. Now the second one here is ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir Tech, I believe is how you say it. I could be wrong, but it's not about how you say it, it's about the stock, right? All right, this stock here is already up, 200 or 300% this year. The IPO is all the way back in September and has been rallying up. This stock here works with a lot of government contracts, which is a very, very solid thing. The reason why is because they're not going anywhere. A lot of these are more long-term contracts, so the company is just going to be building more and more. They really work in data and they work in artificial intelligence. So that's a really cool sector too, and that sector is supposed to grow at 6 to 17%. Going into 2021. So I think that's a pretty cool thing. Not to mention, they believe that their revenue is going to grow another 35% going into 2021. So that's really cool too. I think that this stock could easily double in value just looking off the rate of return here. So now the third stock here is ticker symbol RKT. This is Rocket Companies. What they focus on is loans. So you guys can get anything from a home loan to a car loan, to business loan, anything. I'm actually in the works with them, working on a possible rental property, which is a really cool thing. But this one here has resistance here at 24, more support here at about 20. But the thing is, I think that this stock honestly has very, very strong fundamentals. Growing revenue, growing customers, everything is following suit, very similar to NIO, but I still think is a very, very undervalued stock, really overbrushed by Wall Street. I think that 2021 is going to have an amazing year for Rocket Companies. So now the fourth one here is Plug Power. Plug Power is building an infrastructure for electric vehicles and hydrogen vehicles. I think that is a very, very awesome sector right now, growing very, very, very fast. So I think that this one's just going to fall suit. You guys can see the stock was trading at $2.53. Now it's here at 28. I think that we're going to have the whole momentum continue with this stock. Yes, this stock does carry a little more risk than all the other ones, but I still think that high risk, high reward play definitely falls suit with Plug Power. All they need is one of their deals to go through, and they're going to be looking very, very strong. Stock could easily come up to $45 by mid next year. That's my price target for this one. But like always, I still think you guys should get in maybe around $20 a share if you can. Now the last and final stock here is Workhorse. Workhorse is a electric car company that's working with a lot of other car companies, very similar to Plug Power, but they are actually building a lot of the cars and trucks. So I think that's a pretty cool thing here. They're working with UPS and Amazon right now. The stock still has a beautiful upward trend, and I still think that since this stock here is hitting this trend line, if we go ahead and draw it out, you guys can see I still think that this could possibly be a good opportunity to get in on a pretty undervalued point. For a swing trade, $21 to $39, but I still think the stock could hit $45 to $50 by mid next year. Really, all of these stocks here definitely carry a lot of risk, but also a lot of reward. So it's smart. Have that base of ETFs, bonds, blue chip stocks before you invest into some of these growth stocks. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Don't forget to stay happy, stay positive, and especially right now, stay safe out there, guys. All right. Have a good one. Take care, guys. Take care. Take care. Bam.